guys, welcome back to my channel. I am trying something different. I have mounted my phone. If you guys have seen my vanity tours, you guys know I have. It's actually sitting here. This phone stand from, I believe it was Wish. That's where I got this one from. Really inexpensive. This is what my phone was on, and it sat right here with my mirror in front of it. Mirror. So Miss Courtney and I were talking, and I was showing her the lights that I have because she's thinking about getting a ring light, and I showed her my ring light, and she's like, it has a mount your phone to the ring light. So I'm trying that. But here's the thing, I have always used my phone to record, and I've always used the camera, on the side of your phone screen, so I could see what I was doing. I could see myself in the screen of what I was doing. Apparently, she wants me to try using the rear-facing camera to see if the quality is different, see, if it does better mounted on the ring light. So we're trying that today, and today's video is going to be January's Boxycharm. Now, I've already filmed this once, but I had left my mirror sitting here, and it was leaving a shadow right across my face. So we're refilming it. It actually looked pretty good, all but that shadow on me. So we're doing this month's Boxycharm, and the theme for that box was Boxy and Chill. And I did get a spoiler in an email, and I knew what palette I was getting. I wasn't thrilled with that palette. I still have this palette, because I do like this palette, and I do like this formula. So I got the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. I'm going to open it. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I really wanted the pink one, and I think everybody wanted the pink one, just because these neutral shades, guys, we have so many of these shades everywhere in our collection, and to me, they're very similar. It's just this one has more dark shades, so I appreciate these dark shades. This one is all mid-tone shades. I mean, you're not going to get any depth at all with this palette. But, I mean, if you love shimmers, and you know I do, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. It's just I already have so many palettes with brown shimmers or neutral shimmers. So this is going to go in a giveaway. So I'm going to put the little film back over top, and I'm going to wipe my fingerprints off of it as best as I can. And so you may get a fingerprint on it just because I showed it on camera. But yeah, that's going in a future giveaway. And I'm going to lay it right over here. Next up, we had an eyeliner, and this is Star Looks, and this is Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Now, I don't know if Aurora is the shade. Because that's all it says is Aurora. It doesn't say black. So I don't know what shade that is. All right, the palette retailed for $36. I believe I did hear someone say that it is on sale, maybe on the Tarte website. I haven't checked it. But I think someone did say it had been on sale or is currently on sale for a little bit less than the $36. Okay. Star Looks Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. This retails for $19, guys. I'm sorry. But for a brand I've never, ever heard of, and it's $19 for just an eyeliner. Oh, no. I'll get a Wet n Wild eyeliner or NYX eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? You can get like 3 NYX eyeliners for this. Let's see. It says intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. Easy to extend or retract. I do like that it's retractable. Makes application continuous and easy. Seamless use without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. So this is going to go with the palette because I have enough eyeliners right now. And you guys know I don't use a whole lot of eyeliner. So I'm going to put my little Tarte palette back in its home. So next up, what did we have? Oh, yes. Briogeo. Don't despair, repair, strength, moisture, leave-in mask. This is 2 ounces. This is 2 ounces, so this is like a deluxe sample. I'm pretty sure we've had this before. Was it in Boxycharm or in Allure? But I'm pretty sure I've had this before, and I did like it, so I will keep this one. It just says it has, I'm not going to read like the whole thing, but it includes vitamin B, coconut oil, algae extract, biotin to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. So a full size retails for $16. I will keep that because I remember I did like that. And then we had, and what did I do with the box? Because I've already taken it out of the box. Guys, when I had watched some of the unboxings and I saw, and it was Jennifer Too Much, I believe is the name, and I'll leave her link down below. She unboxed hers, and guys, she got this just dirty orange color of a liquid lipstick, and I was like, please, no, just no, please no. And I went on the Boxycharm Instagram and seen some of their spoilers they had put up, and yeah, there was that orange lippy and like a dirty brown, deep brown, some other color lippy with it, and I'm like, please no. Guys, why do they keep putting these ugly shades of lippies in the boxes? Tell me why. I don't understand. You know, who's wearing those? I mean, if you like that color, that's great. But I think the majority of us, when you watch these unboxings, don't like those colors. So that's just my opinion. If you got that lippy, let me know if you liked it. If it wore well, let me know down below if you actually got that one and you liked it. So I got the Bite Lippy, and this is the Amuse Bouche lipstick, and the shade is Sorbet. And guys, I do have this on. And I was very happy when I saw this color. More colors like this, Boxycharm. Nice, beautiful shades that suit everyone. Just, you know, beautiful shades that fit everyone. I don't know anyone that wouldn't like that pink color. I mean, it's just a very soft pink, good for spring coming up. I'm happy I got that one. And that retails for $26. This is the only full size that I have, and I need to make a spot for it somewhere so I can grab it easily. Oh, she's going right there in the front. Okay. So that was $26, and it says it delivers intense moisture, creamy wear, serves bold, creamy color with an unforgettable sensual experience in a single swipe. So yeah, and there is a coupon code for that one. 20% off $50 or more on bitebeauty.com. Use the code Boxycharm20, and it is good through March the 7th. So that leaves my Tatcha masks. And you guys know, since I had that tooth pulled, I can't talk. So these, I was really excited for these. And this is the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack. And these retail for $24. So that is $12 a mask. And I'm not going to read the whole thing. But it has rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, highly concentrated botanical oils, and extracts. It's made to deliver the maximum absorption, delivering 20 mils of skin-quenching serum, imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. Scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin health and radiance. I basically read the whole thing. But guys, I saw a long time ago, there was a girl that took one mask, and these feel really juicy, and she took a bottle like this, an empty bottle. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them at like health food stores that sells essential oils. You can get them a lots of different places, but it's just like a little medicine dropper on the inside. And she squeezed all of the serum out. And I forget how she got it in the bottle. She had like a little funnel or something, but she squeezed everything out of the mask that she could squeeze out, and she squeezed all the excess out of the pack into that little bottle. So she now had all the serum in a bottle, and she could use it multiple times and not just one mask. So that might be something you want to check out. Like I said, it's been a long time ago. I don't know whose video it was or what. I just remember seeing that video. So yeah, there's the 2 masks. Did I like this box? It was an box for me this month. Like I said, those 2 are going to go in a future giveaway. I did really like the lipstick and the masks. So, and I will use the hair treatment, the hair leave-in conditioner. So yeah, not my favorite box to start out the year. I would have thought they would start out the year with like a big bang. But it's not terrible. I mean, I got my money's worth out of my box. And something to give away back to you guys. Alright guys, that is it for this one. As always, I will catch you on the next one. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you will know when I'm doing a giveaway. Because one is coming up soon. It's either going to be when I hit 1,000 or Valentine's Day. Whichever comes first, there will be some sort of giveaway. Alright guys, I will catch you on the next one.